Kia ora, so this video is for anyone that's wanting to participate in Mahuru Māori but maybe feels like they can't based on where their level of te reo Māori is at. And if you think your vocabulary is at a level where you can't actually hold a conversation and therefore you couldn't participate properly, even if it was only for half an hour a day, then this is for you. Now I'm going to present a strategy that I've come up with a name for called the Grumpy Parent Strategy. The Grumpy Parent Strategy. Now if you think about a grumpy parent, they can be short with what they're saying, short with their kids. There's no two-way dialogue, it's just telling everyone what to do all the time. And if we take the emotion out of all of that, we can think of this dialogue as being one-way dialogue. It's not like we're having a conversation with people, we're just telling them what to do. We're talking and we're not expecting anything to come back, no back chat. And this differs from the two-way dialogue, which is where I think a lot of people get a little bit scared of, because they know how to